And this is the new Ford Caratour 550 MQ on the Ford Transit chassis. This is really a 2025 model, and we can check the specs for this Caratour Ford 550 MQ. Final price for this actual model is 74,100 euros. And getting a view from the inside, you can check already the height of the Caratour, much higher than the Fiat Ducato ones, and also they put and kept pretty useful storage space. Two pretty nice sitting places with foldable table and 4 transit chairs. Going on this side, we have a pretty deep fridge and the cooking space with 3 cabinets. Pretty high cabinets for your cooking and for your belongings. Also, on this side, a hanger unit with 2 additional cabinets and the actual bed that I will be measuring right now. So let's check the bed. We have a max of 2 meters and slightly less if we measure actual size, that we will be measuring the widest of the bed from the back. And at the widest part from this side we have 1.2, and if we remove this bedding here just for sake, 1 meter and 82. Not so bad, but it could be wider. And if we measure actual garage area, we are getting 1.1 meters, and on the largest part we are getting 1 meter. Not so bad for this Caratour Ford 550 MQ 4 transit van.